y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have another human hair headband wig for you guys. In today's video it's going to be a very affordable one, and this is going to be a texture that I have not tried thus far. So today's video is brought to you by YGwigs again. I have tried I think one or two of their headband wigs so far on my channel, and if you have not seen any of the headband wigs that I have featured over the last 2 or 3 months, check out my headband wig playlist. I have a budget for everybody on that playlist. I have synthetic ones under $20. I have like mid-tier ones that are like $100 in that range, and then I do have the higher end ones that are like $300 and $400 as well. Price point for everybody, so definitely check it out if you want to see, you know, the other options I have featured. Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing their loose wave headband wig. I did a co-wash on this wig last night and let it air dry, and this is what the curl pattern or the wave looks like. Very, very nice. So you guys saw the unboxing and the cap construction of this wig. Let me see if there's anything that I need to address. No, it's the same cap construction as all the other human hair headband wigs for the most part. You don't have the option of choosing your cap size though, so it's like a one size fits all situation. Yeah, so you can't choose your cap size. And this is 150% density. It's 100% Brazilian human hair. Of course, I just did my makeup and I wiped my edges off of any foundation I had on my edges so it wouldn't blend in with my edge control. And I do tend to wear a bonnet under my wig caps. I know it can get hot for some people, but it doesn't really bother me. This is a way that I keep moisture in my hair when I'm wearing my wig. So I put my wig cap on, slide that thing back. I'm going to use my She Is Bomb edge control here. I think it's really great. I've been using it for about 2 or 3 months, and I'll leave an Amazon link down below for you guys. Okay, and I'm gonna wear it with a wig grip. I'll have this link down below so I won't have to use the combs. Since this is a one size fits all cap, I'll see how comfortable or uncomfortable it is. Yeah, it does feel pretty tight. Snap in the back. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, this is gorgeous. Ooh, okay. This is really, really pretty. I haven't tried this texture like I told you guys. This is gorgeous. Now the cap is tight. It might stretch out over like the course of the day or the more I wear it. It could be a con that it's a one size fits all kind of cap. But you got to consider those things when you are getting a cheaper human hair wig. You probably won't have as many choices and stuff like that, so keep that in mind. The higher end ones, you do get to choose the cap size. This is pretty. I'm just going to fluff it out just a bit more. I love curly wigs because after you wash them, after you wash them and let them dry, you don't have to use hot tools or anything like that. Y'all, this is beautiful. And this is 16 inches. This looks more like 20 inches. I could be wrong. When they send me the specs and stuff, I'll correct myself. But this, I'm 6 feet tall and this doesn't look 16 inches. It looks kind of longer than that. So this is what we got going on. 150% density. Y'all, I'm feeling this one. I feel so pretty. Ooh, cute. So this is what we got going on without a headband. So I feel like I have this like pink look going on. My earrings are pink and stuff. So I want to try on some of my girly headbands, like the ones with pearls on it and stuff. I do have Amazon affiliate links down below because I did a headband haul last month and I featured a lot of headbands and stuff, so I'll have those linked down below. If you do purchase through those links, you do help out my channel. I do earn a small commission and I appreciate it. So if you're gonna buy it, just buy it through me. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Ooh, I feel so pretty. Alright guys, so I have showed you guys just like 2 headbands and then I did some different styling for you guys so we can get into how I feel about this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys the prices of the longer inches. I told you guys that I requested 16 and 16 inches is $99, but this looks longer than 16, so I'm gonna tell you guys those prices just in case this is longer. 18 inches is $124. 20 inches, $148, 22, $168, and 24 inches is $188. So regardless of what length that you choose, it's gonna be affordable. Especially if you go with 24 inches at $188, that's a lot of hair for under $200. That's really, really good, but choose whatever suits your budget and your taste. So honestly and truly, y'all know how I am. I'm gonna keep it real with you. If I like something or if I don't like something, I think this is bomb. I feel so pretty in this wig. Oh my gosh. It's really beautiful. I have no cons other than the cap does feel smaller, does feel pretty small on my head. I do have a 23-inch circumference head, and this is a wig that is one size fits all. When they do one size fits all caps, it's usually a medium cap, but it does feel pretty tight on my head, so I'm hoping that it loosens up the more that I wear it. So that is my biggest con, but otherwise the luster is beautiful. I tend to wash all of my curly wigs before I wear them because it does make a difference in how the luster looks. This is gorgeous. This wave pattern is stunning. And you guys know I have tried a lot of kinky curly textures that mimic my natural hair, like the 4B, 4C texture, and then like the 3C to 4A texture. I've tried those because they look really good with my natural hair. But I have my edges slicked down and I don't think this looks unnatural, even though this is not my hair texture. I think it looks beautiful. Highly recommend it. It's the price is right. It looks beautiful. It's very easy, very beginner friendly. I'm all over the headband wig trend and I hope it stays around forever because I think it's easy and it looks very natural, especially with the human hair one. So, but if for some reason this is still out of your price range, I do have synthetic ones on my playlist that give a very natural look as well. Just check that out if you want something even more budget friendly. But if you're looking to invest in a human hair wig, but you don't want to pay the higher end prices that I featured on my channel, love those. But this is a really great option and a great price. So shout out to YGwigs for sending me this wig. If you are feeling this too, let me know in the comments. Holler at me, tell me how you feel about this wig. What wigs have you bought so far from watching my headband wig videos? Tell me down in the comment section. Shout out to my Premiere Squad for tuning in and watching this. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing before you leave. We're on the road to 150K. That is my goal by the end of 2020. We are very close to it. We're at 143 as I'm filming this video. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support you have showed me on my channel over the years and in 2020, a crazy year like this. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Follow me on Instagram, my beauty Instagram page, which is I Fancy Cupcakes, and my planning Instagram, which is Hearts in a Plan, as well as my planner YouTube channel, also called Hearts in a Plan. I am a planner babe. I love it. I use my planner every single day. I show you guys how I decorate my planner and how I kind of organize how I do things. Follow me there, and follow me on my Like to Know It page, where you can shop my outfits and what I'm wearing and home decor, because now I'm doing Operation Decorate This House until the end of the year. So I will have more home decor and stuff on there going forward. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.